Here's a quick demo for you of a KENWOOD 8021 Apple CarPlay and Android Auto unit, and we've just installed it into a VW Polo. It's gone into the dash nice and neatly, and we've ordered the dash parts from ACV. And we're in Apple CarPlay at the moment, and it's connected wirelessly, so we can access our phone calls. We can access our music. Don't think there's any loaded on this phone. We can access our maps. We have digital radio. We can get our station list. It's got a good equaliser, so lots of fun to be had there. It's a great unit.